Welcome to BJ Tech. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ChatGPT-4 and exploring how it's revolutionizing content creation for writers and creatives alike. We'll discuss its impact on various aspects of content creation, from blog writing and copywriting to social media management and beyond. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. Let's get started. What is ChatGPT-4? ChatGPT-4 is the latest iteration of OpenAI's advanced language model, designed to understand and generate human-like text based on given prompts. Its powerful capabilities open up new possibilities for AI-driven applications across numerous industries, including content creation. But how exactly does ChatGPT-4 transform the way we create content? Let's find out. Efficiency and speed. One of the most significant benefits of ChatGPT-4 for content creators is the efficiency and speed it brings to the table. By generating high-quality text in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT-4 helps writers overcome writer's block, brainstorm ideas, or even create entire articles, saving valuable time and boosting productivity. Idea generation and brainstorming. Coming up with fresh and engaging ideas can be challenging for any content creator. ChatGPT-4's ability to generate relevant and creative ideas based on a given prompt is a game changer. It can help writers discover new angles, topics, and perspectives that they might not have considered otherwise, enhancing creativity. ChatGPT-4's ability to generate diverse and creative text allows writers to explore new styles and tones in their writing. By adjusting parameters like temperature and maximum token count, content creators can tailor ChatGPT-4's output to their specific needs, whether it's generating bold, innovative ideas or crafting concise, focused copy. Proofreading and editing. Errors and inconsistencies can impact the quality and credibility of any piece of content. ChatGPT-4 can serve as a valuable proofreading and editing tool, identifying grammatical errors, suggesting improvements, and helping writers refine their work for a polished final product. Social media management. In today's digital landscape, maintaining a strong social media presence is crucial for businesses and individuals alike. ChatGPT-4 can help create engaging captions, draft social media posts, and even develop content strategies, ensuring your brand's voice remains consistent across platforms. Ethical considerations. While ChatGPT-4 offers numerous advantages for content creation, it's important to address ethical considerations. Writers must use AI-generated content responsibly, ensuring it aligns with their values and doesn't compromise originality or authenticity. It's also crucial to consider the potential implications of AI-generated content on copyright, plagiarism, and content ownership. ChatGPT-4 is undoubtedly transforming the way we create content, offering increased efficiency, enhanced creativity, and valuable support for writers and creatives. By harnessing the power of this revolutionary AI language model, content creators can stay ahead of the game in today's fast-paced digital world. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this. We'd love to hear your thoughts on ChatGPT-4 and its impact on content creation, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.